Good morning, students. Welcome to part 3 of our chapter number 4, heat. We have seen about conductors, insulators, then process of transmission of heat, that is conduction and convection. Now, page number 42, activity 4.9. Light a candle, keep one hand above the flame and one hand on the side of the flame as it is given in the figure 4.10. एक हाथ साइड में, एक हाथ ऊपर. So which one will feel more hot? किसमें ज़्यादा गर्मी लगेगी आपको? गर्म कहाँ आएगा ज़्यादा? On the top side. Why? The air gets heated by convection method. हमने देखा कि सीधा गर्म है वो ऊपर जाता है. So the top will feel more heat than the side. However, there is no convection in the side and the air does not feel as hot as the top. The people living in the coastal areas experience an interesting phenomenon. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the water. So the air over the land becomes hotter and rises up. The cooler air from the sea rushes towards the land to take its place. हमने देखा था कि कैसे होती है पास, गर्म है वहां से ठंडी जगह पे हवा जाएगी. सो इन द कोस्टल एरियाज क्या होगा कि जमीन वाली जो हवा है वो पहले गर्म हो जाएगी और वो कहाँ जाएगी? यस, सी की तरफ. The air on the land becomes hotter and rises up. वो ऊपर चली जाएगी. And the cooler air from the sea that will comes to land. The warmer air from the land move towards the sea to complete the cycle. है ना? So the air from the sea is called the sea breeze. जो ठंडी हवा वो सी की तरफ से जो लैंड की तरफ आती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सी ब्रीज. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड? सी ब्रीज. टू रिसीव द कूलर सी ब्रीज, द विंडोज ऑफ द हाउसेज इन कोस्टल एरियाज आर मेड टू फेस सी. जो दिन में आती है दैट इज सी ब्रीज, ठंडी हवा आती है बिकॉज वाटर की तरफ से जो हवा है वो लैंड की तरफ आएगी. सो इट इज कॉल्ड सी ब्रीज विच कम्स इन डे टाइम. एट नाइट इट इज एग्जैक्टली द रिवर्स. द वाटर कूल्स डाउन मोर स्लोली देन द लैंड. सो द कूल एयर फ्रॉम द लैंड मूव्स टूवर्ड्स द सी. दिस इज कॉल्ड द लैंड ब्रीज. The phenomenon is shown you in the picture. Here it is, right? The daytime, the sea breeze, it will come from sea towards the land. है ना? जो cool है वो hotter place में आएगी. And then the night time you can see the land breeze, that is land किससे होके जो पानी में जा रही है, right? So this is sea breeze and land breeze. When we come out in the sun, we feel warm. How does the heat from the sun reach us? अच्छा, हमने देखा लिक्विड में कन्वेक्शन होता है, सॉलिड में कंडक्शन होता था. अभी हीट जो सन की लाइट है, सन हीट, उससे हमको गर्मी लगती है. तो वो कौन सा मोड ऑफ ट्रांसफर है? That is not conduction, that is not convection. Then which type of mode of transfer is there? It cannot reach us by conduction or convection as there is no medium, such as air in the most of the part between the earth and the sun. हर जगह पे air है. From the sun, the heat comes to us by another process known as radiation. वो कौन सी प्रोसेस है? रेडिएशन. The transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. It can take place whether medium is present or not. It does not require any medium to transfer. जो directly आ जाती है, that is called radiation. Right? When we sit in front of a room heater, तो गर्मी अपने आप लगती है. This process is radiation. Right? All hot bodies radiate heat. जो भी गर्म चीज है उसमें से हीट की रेडिएशन आती है. So this is radiation and it does not require any medium to transfer. Kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. We wear different kinds of clothes in summer and winter in different seasons, है ना? विंटर में हम जो स्वेटर पहनते हैं वो समर में पहन सकते हैं? नो, बिकॉज बहुत 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 गर्मी लगती है वैसे भी. सो समर में कैसे क्लोथ्स पहनेंगे? थिन कॉटन क्लोथ्स विच अब्जॉर्ब्स द परसेप्शंस. हमारा जो पसीना होता है उसको भी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेगा और जो हीट को अपनी तरफ एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करेगा. लाइट कलर क्लोथ्स सो दैट less heat is absorbed. And in winter we wear dark color clothes, also thick clothes, woolen clothes जो गर्मी दे. right? अच्छा, लाइट कलर्स है ना वो हीट को कम एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. फॉर दैट एक्टिविटी इज गिवन figure 4.12 that containers with black and white surface. अगर एक ब्लैक कलर का सरफेस और एक वाइट कलर के सरफेस वाले दो कंटेनर एक जैसी धूप में रखोगे, देन ऑल्सो यू विल सी दैट द ब्लैक कंटेनर है वो एकदम जल्दी गर्म होगा, वाइट कंटेनर है उसको टाइम लगेगा. इसका वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव यू. इफ यू हैव सीन सोलर कुकर्स, उसके जो कंटेनर्स होते हैं दे आर ब्लैक कलर. उसका जो टॉप है वो भी ब्लैक कलर का होता है. वाई? बिकॉज that black color absorbs heat very fast and it get hot very fast, right? So this was how we use different color clothes and different type of clothes. Woolen clothes, it gives you heat so that your body is prevented from the cold which is there in the atmosphere. So we wear woolen clothes in the winter, right? So this was all about heat. Now exercise. In the textbook I will make you solve. In the workbook you know आपको खुद ही करनी है. So be ready. The first one, state similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and the क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस बताना है. You can write what is the difference between both. टेम्परेचर वाइज लिख सकते हो, है ना? दोनों की रेंज अलग है टेम्परेचर की. देन ओके, सिमिलैरिटीज क्या है? मर्क्यूरी इज यूज्ड इन बोथ. देन both are of same shape, that is long narrow glass tube, right? In both thermometers there would be a construction like a bulb at the end. So these are similarities. Now what are differences? The main difference हमने देखा था, there is no knick, that is K-I-N-K, knick in the laboratory thermometer, whereas it is there in the clinical thermometer. Then I told you can write the range. Laboratory thermometer, it is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, while in the clinical thermometer it is 35 degree to 42 degree. You can write the use. Question number 2. Give 2 examples each of conductors and insulators. You can write it very well. Right? Conductors, metals, copper, silver, aluminum, iron, and insulators, wood, plastic, rubber, right? Fill in the blanks. First one, the hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Second, temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a which type of thermometer? Clinical thermometer. उसके लिए कौन सा चाहिए? क्योंकि बॉइलिंग का टेम्परेचर 100 से ऊपर होता है तो उसके लिए हमको लेबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर चाहिए. So the blanks cannot be measured by clinical thermometer. Temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Third answer is Celsius. Then no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of, अभी देखा कौन से प्रोसेस में मीडियम नहीं चाहिए? दैट इज रेडिएशन. यस. नेक्स्ट, a cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Then heat is transferred by which process? Conduction, because the spoon is a solid substance. Sixth one, clothes of dash colors absorb more heat better than clothes of light colors. Yes, dark colors. Match the following. Land breeze blows during night. Sea breeze blows during day. Dark color clothes are preferred during winter and light are preferred during summer. Yes. Then discuss why wearing more layer of clothes during winter keeps us warmer than just wearing one thick piece. Air is a bad conductor of heat, right? So if you wear layers and layers, it will keep you warm and the outer cold, जो बाहर ठंडी हवा है वो अंदर नहीं जाएगी और अंदर की जो गर्मी है वो अंदर ही रहेगी, बाहर नहीं निकलेगी. So it is advisable. Look at the figure. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection or by radiation. जो पानी में हीट आ रही है, you can mark it out. In the water it is convection, in the utensil it is conduction, and जो नीचे flame है that is radiation. Seventh, in the places of hot climate it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. अभी हमने बोला था क्योंकि white color है वो heat को जल्दी absorb नहीं करता है, इसीलिए वहाँ पे white paint लगाना चाहिए. Eighth one, 1 liter of water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with 1 liter of water at 50 degrees. The temperature of water will be, अच्छा 1 लीटर 30 डिग्री वाला गर्म है, 1 लीटर 50 डिग्री वाला, तो टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? इट विल बी बिटवीन 30 to 50, क्योंकि वो मिक्स होगा तो 30 से ज़्यादा होगा, लेकिन 50 वाले में 30 वाला मिक्स होगा तो वो 50 से कम भी हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी बिटवीन 30 to 50. Ninth one, an iron ball at 40 degree is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degree. The heat will not flow because the temperature is equal. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. So its other end, what will become? It is D, it does not become cold. Why? Because the spoon is made of wood and wood is a insulator. So the answer is D. Okay, 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with copper bottoms. Why? Because the copper is better conductor than steel, right? So answer is C. Copper is better conductor of heat than steel. So the exercise of textbook I make you solve. Workbook you have to do it yourself. In the next video we will start chapter number 5. So be ready and complete the exercise of your workbook of chapter number 4. Thank you.